Welcome to your National School Safety Framework training course.
This video will guide you step by step on how to register for the course, complete all the lessons, and download your official certificate. This course is hosted on a brand new platform called Youth Empowerment South Africa, designed especially for South African youth to help you build skills for the workplace. You can access the course on a computer, smartphone, or tablet. How do you access the course? You can start by either clicking the link provided, scanning the QR code on the screen now, or typing the web address into your browser. You can follow these steps on a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Once you're on the page, you'll land on the course overview. This gives you a short description of what the course is all about and what you'll learn. Scroll down and click Enroll Now. On a computer, the Enroll Now button may appear at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be redirected to the checkout page, but don't worry. Even though it says checkout, this course is 100% free to register. Type in your email address. Once you start typing, more fields will appear. Create a password, at least 8 characters. Fill in your first name and last name exactly as you'd like it to appear on your certificate. Then add your province, cell phone number, and your school or organization. When you're done, click Complete Purchase. Remember, you will not be charged. The course is free. After you register, you'll land on your personal dashboard. Click the Watch button to start the course. Once you're inside the course, here are some things to look out for. At the top right, you'll see your percentage completed. This tells you how far you are. You can click Open to see a full outline of the course. To close it, just click Close. You'll need to complete each section before the next one opens. Each video must be watched from beginning to end. After finishing each section, click Complete and Continue to move on. Before starting the first lesson, you'll be asked to fill in some important information. We collect this because the Department of Education needs it for official records. Your information is kept safe and will not be shared with anyone outside of this program. Once completed, click Complete and Continue. Before the next section, you'll need to download the National School Safety Framework document. Click the Download button. Now it is time to do the course. At the end of the course, you'll do a quiz with 20 questions. Read each question carefully. Select the answer you think is most correct. Click Next. At the end, you'll see your score out of the 20 questions and the correct answers with explanations. You need to get at least 14 correct to pass. If you don't pass the first time, don't worry, you can try the quiz again. Once you've passed the quiz, it's time to download your certificate. Exit the course. This should take you back to your dashboard. Click on the 3 lines menu at the top. This takes you to your profile. Click on the drop-down for Dashboard. Click on Certificates. You'll see a list of certificates you've earned. Scroll across to Action. Under Action, click the Download button. If your browser asks for permission, just click Allow. Make sure you save your certificate in a safe place. Please note, certificates are not emailed. They are automatically created and verified by the system. While you're on the Youth Empowerment SA platform, why not explore other exciting opportunities? Take a career and skills assessment. Try out our entrepreneurship course. Earn more certificates to help grow your career. You've got everything you need. Don't waste any time. Get started now. Scan the QR code on the screen to get started.